My colleague, Regional Marketing Manager for Amway is Mr. Tapan Mukherjee. Please.
Thank you. Thank you, Manish. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Can you show me a little bit of energy? क्योंकि मैं ही सबसे बड़ा अनाउंसमेंट करने वाला हूँ, ये मैं सोचता हूँ. So are you all ready?
Yes.
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 Okay. जो पहला अनाउंसमेंट है, जैसा कि अभी मनीष ने आप लोगों को दिखाया, वो है कि एमवे प्लस ऐप आप लोग सारे लोग जानना चाहते हैं. You all want to know?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So I will unveil it, but before that, let me just talk a little bit on this. ये एमवे प्लस ऐप है क्या? क्रिएटर्स ऐप कितने लोग जानते हैं यहाँ पे? Okay, so many of you were knowing this, right? तो जब एमवे प्लस का ऐप हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, जो पहला अनाउंसमेंट है वो है क्रिएटर ऐप को ये रिप्लेस करेगा. क्रिएटर प्लस जो ऐप था वो और आगे नहीं रहेगा, राइट? ये जो हमने क्रिएट किया है, क्या ये सिर्फ हमने अपने आप से क्रिएट किया है? नहीं. यू वुड बी वेरी एनकरेज टू नो कि ये को क्रिएशन का हम जो बात कर रहे हैं उसका एक ट्रू एग्जाम्पल है. सो वी हैव टेकन फीडबैक फ्रॉम लीडर्स लाइक यू from across all the regions in India, and let me tell you, this app will give you unique benefits. It will work. जो अभी डॉक्टर रमेश बोल रहे थे, अभी आपने हमारे आशा गुप्ता मैम के प्रेजेंटेशन में देखा, रजनीश सर के प्रेजेंटेशन में देखा कि हेल्थ टू अपॉर्चुनिटी या हेल्थ एंड वेलबींग का जो एक बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस हम लोग बनाना चाहते हैं, उसको बनाने के लिए आप लोगों को ये बहुत 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 ज्यादा मदद करने वाला है. दिस इज गोइंग टू गिव यू अ बिग लीप इन बिल्डिंग दिस हेल्थ एंड वेलबींग बिजनेस. यू वांट टू नो व्हाई? यस, थोड़ा इंटरेक्शन रहेगा, अच्छा रहेगा. यू वांट टू नो व्हाई?
Yes.
Yes, let me take you through that. So this is going to be one app with 4 unique features. Okay, when we say 4 unique features, it has got, the first feature is all about engagement. The second feature is all about one-stop solution for everything that you need to know to build a health and well-being world-class business. The third is that you often come back to us and tell कि ये PV month end का क्या हुआ, order का क्या हुआ. So we have created a dedicated place where you can track all your business related information. And the fourth one is that not only you can use it for learning, engagement and your data points, but you can make and you can do your shopping as well from this one app. Excited? Yes. Okay, let me take you through all the 4 elements. The first one is engagement. When we talk about engagement, and I know many of you have undergone the 21 days program on morning nutrition. जो लोग मिस किए हैं, अगर आपके टीम में कोई भी नया ज्वाइन किया है, you need not to worry about. There are many of you who have attended but not able to capture the content, right? So you can engage your downlines, your team members through this feature of the Amway Plus app, where you get all the document, all the learning, all the content related to your health and well-being business, right? You not only get to engage your downlines, you get to share it. You at one click, you can share all this information through WhatsApp. You have got infographics, you have got recipes, you have got exercise. So all the reason for you to utilize it to the best of your ability to build a world-class business. Now moving ahead, when we talked about Gurukul, we said that it is going to be one of its kind of an platform which is world-class, which will elevate your knowledge skills. So Amway Plus gives you that opportunity wherein you can learn everything related to your health and well-being business. Not only health and well-being, but everything related to your business. You would be getting content around morning nutrition, how to build a community, how to onboard a customer. You can self-recognize yourself. So you complete courses, you get accreditation for that. Isn't it great? You can flaunt all those badges digitally, right? So that is how it is. Now moving ahead, I'll just take you through a video which summarizes what this Amway app is all about.